Welcome to the 10-year series app. In today's video, I'll be covering the Ask Homework question function of the app. So I'll be covering 3 pointers: how you can get help, how you can earn, and how you can give help.
How can you get help? Imagine you are doing your homework and you face a difficult question. So you can take a photo, crop it, and upload it on the 10-year series app. Under the Ask Homework question tab, so input the title of your question, the details of your question, the level and subject, and then upload your cropped image and then click submit. How can you give help? So imagine you saw a question and you prepare the solution. So for me, I like to write out my answer, so I wrote out my solution. So what you then do is to look for the question, click on the comment section to respond, upload your solution, and don't forget to click "This is the answer." How can you earn? For tutors, if you have answered questions previously, it will be reflected on your tutor profile page. So this will be like your portfolio. It will help you to market yourself to parents and students on your teaching style.
Ask questions, answer questions, and help each other out. If you do have any questions, you can drop us an email at admin@holdtheholding.com. If you do have any other further questions, you can also drop us a message on the forum.